Might be in this weird situation where for some reason Google Pay is just continuing to just decline and the payments just keep failing. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. Again, there's never just one reason why stuff like this ends up happening. But the number one thing I'd recommend doing for the most part is just making sure that your particular credit card that you're using and any information associated with that is perfectly working on your device. Sometimes you may just be running into these issues where your particular device seems to be working, but your credit card is not actually fully functioning. So you may want to contact your credit card carrier. You may also want to make sure that the card that you inputted inside of your wallet app, all that information is up to date and there's no issues going around with that. Because sometimes if you do that, that might be the problem and you may just want to make sure and that is not the issue that you're running into. So go ahead, check that out, and that might be the first thing that you can try doing to fix this problem. Now, if that doesn't end up working, another thing you may want to try doing for the most part is just go through and making sure that you don't have any internet connection problems, no Wi-Fi connection problems. If you're in an area with spotty signal, it's not going to make you and allow you to check that, to buy that particular thing. But also, if you're on airplane mode and there's no Wi-Fi or signal coming in, it's also not going to allow you to do it. And the phone might tell you if you're running into that issue. So just double check those problems, and that will hopefully help alleviate that particular problem that you may run into there. Now, if that's not working or if that doesn't seem to be the problem, you may want to see if you need to reboot your phone. So just hold down the power button and the volume up button or the volume down button, depending on your phone. Go through and just restart your device. That could end up fixing the problem too. And you may also need to update your particular phone. If your phone is severely outdated, sometimes that can cause some issues too. So hop inside of your settings application just like so. Go ahead and find your update panel, wherever it may be, under software update, and go ahead and download and install the latest update available for your phone, and that might end up fixing the problem for you as well. So those are basically the main ways to go and fix this problem. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.